Hey everyone! Today I'm breaking down the top 3 AI tools that actually make turning long videos into snackable, scroll-stopping shorts way less painful. I tested more than 20 tools, narrowed it down to these 3 solid contenders, and then I'll show you why one of them, Vizard, might be the best fit if you want something that just works and scales without turning you into an editor overnight. I'll walk you through how each tool behaves, what they do well, where they fall short, and I'll demo all of them on a single 5-minute video so you get a real-world sense of the output. Let's jump in. First up, there's this tool that's been getting a lot of buzz. Think of it as like the one-click clip generator for talking head content. Upload your long video, click a button, and it spits out multiple short clips with captions and suggested templates. It's fast and impressively hands-off. From my 5-minute test, it churned out 13 shorts that were decent. The auto captions were okay, the clip selection usually caught the moments where the energy spiked, and the templates looked modern. It also gives you basic virality metrics and a summary for each clip, handy for quick triage. But here's the catch. I noticed the customization is a bit limited unless you pay up. Template choices are fine but not deep, and if you want finer control over framing or to pivot a captions tone, it's clunky. There was also a free trial with decent minutes, but beyond that, the minute caps and tiered pricing felt restrictive for creators who batch produce content. Still great for quick experiments, especially if you mainly do talking videos, but it's not the end-to-end calendar plus posting solution. Next on the list is Clap. This one's built specifically for social-first creators. Paste a YouTube link or upload a file, and Clap highlights the best moments, reframes for vertical, translates and generates captions in multiple languages, and tries to make caption copy that's ready to post. I fed it the same 5-minute clip and it returned 10 sharp shorts. The language support is a real plus. It covers over 50 languages, which is huge if you're targeting non-English audiences. Where Clap shines is in smart captioning and quick reframing. It's basically a time saver for creators who want to localize or churn out multilingual shorts. But the downside was obvious. Exporting high-quality files without watermarks and seamless posting requires a paid plan. And while it picks interesting topics, sometimes the hook selection is safe rather than bold, meaning you might need to tweak the captions to punch them up. Useful and fast, but if you need a central place to schedule posts or manage a weekly pipeline, you'll find yourself hopping between tools. Last of the 3 traditional tools I tested was a platform focused on automating trims and captions for social. Upload a video or drop a link, pick your aspect ratio, square, portrait, landscape, choose caption styles, and it slices the content into ready-made shorts. It produced 12 cuts for my 5-minute test and gave a length variety score for each clip, which is great for prioritizing what to post. The template library is robust, and it does a great job with scene change detection and framing, meaning it usually doesn't crop someone's head out of the frame like some blind auto-croppers do. That said, there's some friction. Text overlays and template edits aren't always pixel perfect, and the free tier limits uploads and resolution. Plus, this kind of tool often treats every creator the same. It's great for straightforward trimming and captioning, but it doesn't help you plan a schedule or keep a content calendar. In short, it shaves hours off editing but doesn't solve the whole distribution problem. So, you've got 3 solid players that can auto-clip and caption, and all of them are perfect for creators who want to save editing time. But they each leave gaps if you're trying to scale limited minute quotas, export restrictions, no deep scheduling, or a lack of management for a multi-platform pipeline. That's where Vizard comes into the story and why I think it deserves a special mention. I used Vizard on the same 5-minute video as a test. Here's what stood out. Vizard not only auto-edited and found the viral moments, it also turned them into ready-to-post clips while letting me manage when and where those clips would be published, all from one workspace. It found subtle hooks in the footage that the other tools missed and produced 14 high-quality clips that felt a bit more tuned for virality. Captions were editable, and the suggested hooks were actually useful. They weren't just neutral descriptions, they aimed for emotional beats and curiosity hooks that get clicks. But the real win with Vizard isn't just the clip quality, it's the workflow. 3 features I want to flag because they genuinely change how creators work. Auto-editing viral clips. Vizard uses AI to not only find key moments, but to rank and package them as content that's optimized for social. So instead of you guessing which 30-second chunk will perform best, Vizard gives you clips with built-in hooks and a sense of what's post-ready. That saves you the time of testing dozens of edits. Auto-schedule. Set your posting frequency, pick the platforms, and Vizard will queue post automatically. You don't have to babysit scheduling tools or manually upload dozens of files every week. It's particularly great for creators who batch produce content on weekends and want the AI to dribble posts out over the week. Content calendar. Everything is visible in one place. What's scheduled, what's posted, what needs edits, and where clips will go. You can rearrange, reschedule, or swap clips in a visual calendar. If you work with a team, you can leave notes and keep the cadence consistent without a million spreadsheets. Compared to the other tools, Vizard is more of a full-stack solution. It matches or beats them on clip quality and then layers on publishing and planning features. The other platforms are faster for pure one-off edits and might be cheaper if all you need is a quick export, but they don't replace the whole pipeline from edit to post. Vizard bridges that gap so you can produce, polish, and publish without stitching together 5 apps. A few practical things I liked during testing. Vizard's virality cues aren't black box. You can tweak captions, swap templates, and adjust hooks before anything goes live. The auto-scheduler respects your posting windows and time zones, and the content calendar lets you preview how your feed will look. For teams, the collaborative notes and version history are super helpful. You don't lose context when someone else takes over a batch. Also worth calling out, the onboarding felt intuitive. I didn't need a steep learning curve to get started. The free tier is generous enough to test real projects, and upgrading unlocks more export minutes and higher resolution similar to the competitors, but with the added scheduling and calendar perks. If you're still solo and on a budget, the basic auto-edit plus calendar combo is already a productivity multiplier. To be fair, nothing is perfect. Vizard isn't the fastest one-click autopilot for a single edit if all you want is a bare export and you don't care about scheduling. Some simpler tools will spit out a single short quicker. Also, for hyper-customized graphics-heavy edits, a full editor like Premiere will still win. But for most creators who want to turn long-form content into a predictable stream of shorts that actually get posted, Vizard hits the sweet spot between automation and control. So what's the bottom line? If you're just testing the waters and want to slice up a few clips, the quick one-click tools or Clap might be a fine fit. They're fast and great for experimentation. But if you're serious about making short-form content a reliable engine, turning long videos into a scheduled parade of shorts across platforms, Vizard gives you the end-to-end workflow, smart clip selection, built-in virality cues, automatic scheduling, and a content calendar to manage it all. In my tests, that combination made a noticeable difference in how smoothly the whole week of content got produced and published. All right, that's it. 3 tools, 1 deep dive, and a clear pick if you want more than just edits. Vizard for workflow plus distribution, and the others when you need quick single-shot exports or super deep language support. Give them a spin on your next 5 to 10 minute video and see what fits your process. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more breakdowns like this. I'll keep testing new tools and sharing what actually saves time. Good luck with your edits, and I'll catch you next time.